Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the dome glass installation video for the Galaxy Note 9. I'm going to walk you through this installation process to make sure it's as simple as possible. You can rewind and replay the steps as many times as you want, but my advice, don't skip ahead. Now that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, this is everything you need to get started. One special note is the UV light needs power, and the 2-pack does not come with a wall adapter. Now it uses a micro USB, so make sure you have one handy before you start. Okay, now that we're ready, first take the alcohol pad and wipe off the screen all the way to the edges, making sure there's no dirt or nasty stuff on it. Then take the cleaning cloth, wipe it off, make sure you get any remaining alcohol. Next, you're going to carefully place your Note 9 in the bottom tray case. Notice the top right corner says speaker, so match up the top of the phone where the speaker is with the top of the case. Included in the package is a dust remover sticker. You can use it at this time to remove any dust particles. Just dab it across the phone wherever you see any. Take the masking tape and attach it to the top of the phone to cover up the speaker, just like this. Take the top tray case and put it in the bottom tray case. Make sure you match up the spots that say speaker. Then you're going to take the absorption pads and place them on each side of the Note 9 as such. These are going to soak up any additional liquid. Okay, now locate the position bridge, the pin, and the top tray case. You're going to need these over the next couple steps. For the next step, this is the bottle of liquid adhesive. Since this is a 2-pack, you have 2 bottles, so there is an extra one if you need it. What you're going to do is twist the red cap and screw it inside the round hole into the position bridge just like this. After that's in place, open the black upper cap and allow all the liquid adhesive to pour out onto the bottle. Make sure you wait for all the liquid to finish pouring out. Okay, next, carefully remove the position bridge and the adhesive bottle and set them aside. You're done with them. Then, insert the pin into the hole on the top part of the tray case. Now, grab the dome glass screen protector. Notice the sticker in the top corner to help you identify front and back. Using the sticker that says back to on the backside corner, carefully remove by peeling down. Then, starting from the bottom and moving towards the top, properly place the glass screen protector in the tray case. Okay, so the next step is very important. Once it's in its place, tilt the bottom tray by pressing down on the underside just like this. When the adhesive is located at the center of your device, remove the pin and the glass will drop and the liquid will spread throughout the entire phone. Wait 80 seconds as the adhesive spreads completely. Be sure not to touch the glass with your hands while the liquid adhesive is spreading. Next, we will cure the screen onto the device. Place the UV light at the top by the speaker and cure for 15 seconds. Then, move it to the bottom near the home button and let it sit for another 15 seconds. Now, remove the top tray case and the masking tape covering from the top speaker from your Note 9 and carefully remove the device from the tray. Once removed, wipe it down again with a new alcohol pad. Make sure you especially wipe along all the edges. Lastly, we will finish the curing process by placing the UV light at the top part by the speaker for 1 minute. And then at the bottom by the home button for another minute. That's it, you're good to go. You can enjoy the perfect touch sensitivity of a flawless edge-to-edge tempered screen protector. Don't forget to get a case. Whitestone also has a clear case that fits perfectly. I hope this video was helpful.